Hello friends, welcome to a new video. So we have two new words, the first being geniality and the second ethos. So what does geniality mean? It means kindness, cheerfulness, or the quality of having a friendly and a cheerful manner. For example, the hospitality and geniality of the local population have always stayed with me. Another example could be he has approached these problems not only with geniality but also extreme sensitivity. The second word is ethos. So, ethos means the characteristic spirit of a culture or an era or a community as manifested in its beliefs and aspirations. Ethos is defined as the beliefs or ideas by which a person or group lives. For example, literature always reflects the ethos of a particular culture or society. Thank you guys for coming back and watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and share the video with all of your family and friends. Bye guys.